The trick with this replacement is knowing which covers to remove and how to remove them. So in this video I'm going to show you a full step-by-step battery replacement with the tools you need, as well as what to do after installation. The top cover is removed with these two clips on the sides by pushing them inward to release it. Next, we'll disconnect the negative terminal first and then the positive by loosening the nuts closest to the clamp. Now you can unclip the cover under the junction box and swivel it upwards. Then, to get access to the hold-down bracket, remove this cover behind the headlight. The bolt you're looking for is down there at the base of the battery. When installing the new battery, slide it into this lip at the back between these 2 points. I'll share some info on this battery size a bit later, but for now channel your best Tetris skills to gently coax that battery into place. Now start installation with a bracket. If the junction box came loose during disassembly, just slide it in from back to front. Then connect the positive terminal first and then the negative. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. This cover needs to slot into a groove here, otherwise it won't fit properly. We used a 70 amp hour EFB battery with around 580 cranking amps, but these dimensions might assist with comparing a different brand. There were no warning lights on startup and a radio code wasn't required. You might need to reset the upper and lower limits of the one-touch windows. To set the upper limit, pull and hold the button past the second click and hold for about 3 seconds after it's fully closed. Then push and hold past the second click and hold for about 3 seconds after it's fully open. Then repeat this for every one-touch window. To set the time, turn the button clockwise for minutes and anti-clockwise for hours. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.